Okay ha?
Sige
What
na.
type? Ayun, wala ko. Uy,
Sugod na naman eh. Hi, this is Group 4 and we are reporting the ransomware. So what is ransomware? According to Wikipedia, ransomware is a type of malware that permanently blocks access to the victim's personal data unless a ransom is paid, while some simple ransomware may lock the system without damaging any files. More advanced malware uses a technique called cryptoviral extortion. It encrypts the victim's files, making them inaccessible and demands a ransom payment to decrypt them. And a properly implemented cryptoviral extortion attack, recovering the files without the decryption key is an intractable problem and difficult to trace digital currencies such as PaySafeCard or Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are used for the ransom, making traces and prosecuting the perpetrators difficult. Ransomware attacks are typically carried out using a Trojan disguise as a legitimate file that the user is tricked into downloading or opening when it arrives as an email attachment. However, one high-profile example, the WannaCry worm, traveled automatically between computers without users' interaction. So, history of ransomware. The first known malware extortion attack, the AIDS Trojan, written by Joseph Pope in 1989, had a design failure so severe it was not necessary to pay the extortionist at all. Its payload hid the files on the hard drive and encrypted only their names and displayed a message claiming that the user's license to use a certain piece of software had expired. But it was not until at the beginning of twen- 20s that ransomware became mainstream, and this has unfortunately developed into a lucrative business driven by criminal groups with the purpose to take money. Around 2010, the birth of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies certainly spurred this development by solving the issue of receiving payment anonymously and untraceably. Jamaica next.
Ako na. Okay. Itsa. Isulti atungan.
Salty lang.
I am Jamaica Cabisas. I am the next reporter. So, what does ransomware allow hackers to do? So, in a ransomware attack, hackers use malware to encrypt, delete, or manipulate data, intellectual property, or personal information. This allows attackers to hold the information, device, or system digitally hostage until the victim meets the cyber criminal's ransom demands, which usually involve secure and traceable payment. Ransomware remains one of the most profitable tactics for cybercriminals, with increasing ransom demands often ranging from $1 million na to 10 million USD dollar. It is important to note that paying the hackers ransom demand is no guarantee that the system will be restored or that stolen data will not be shared or sold on the dark web. So kung kuan ang ransomware og sayngan galian ng mga hackers, wala kay assurance nga og mohatag kag kwarta is kanang makuan ba na imong account, sanay mauli ba na nila. So ingon ana something in ana. So please kog slide Rodel. So there are different types of ransomware attacks. So first, double extortion. Second, triple extortion the egg. Three, lacquer ransomware and crypto ransomware. Please go slide. So extortion. So double extortion ransomware like Maze combines data encryption with data theft. This technique was developed in response to organization refusing to pay ransom and restoring from backups instead. By stealing an organization data as well, the cyber criminals could threaten to leak if the victim doesn't pay up. Next slide. So triple extortion. Triple extortion ransomware adds a third extortion technique to double extortion. Often, this includes demanding a ransom from the victims, customers, or partners, or performing a distributed denial of service DDoS attack against the company as well. Next.
Mary Grace.
Okay.
Hi, good afternoon. I am the next reporter, Mary Grace Gabato. Locker ransomware. Locker ransomware is a ransomware that doesn't encrypt the files on the victim machine. Instead, it locks the computer, rendering it unusable to the victim until the ransom has been paid. So, ang locker ransomware kay mukuha ni siya kanang, for example, kanang mga business like businessman or mga kanang mga mga call center kanang mga nagamit og mga computer na kanang panlitan kanang nay mga important na mga files or mga data na nga kuan nila din human mokalit lang siya kuan makuan ning locker ransomware. So ang wa sila laing choice kung dili mo bayad sila ana kay kana nga files kay importante kaayo. Pero next. And crypto ransomware. Crypto ransomware is another name for ransomware that underscores the fact that ransomware payments are commonly paid in cryptocurrency. The reason for this is that cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that are more difficult to track since they're not managed by the traditional financial system. Ang crypto ransomware kay kanang same siya gamay sa kanang locker ransomware but ang nakakuha niya kay kanang mag-demand gyapon sa siya ransom para sa recovery sa ilang mga files but ang nakalahian gud sa kuan kanang crypto ransomware og sa locker ransomware kay ang crypto ransomware kay maka-access gihapon ka sa imuhang device but dili nakaka kuan kanang di ka access na sa imong like files or ang mga imuhang kanang data. Then ang locker ransomware kay ang nakakuha niya kay dili na jud ka ka-open sa imong whole na jud nga kuan like kanang mga kuan nimo files, mga data or kanang device mo lock as in lock na gid siya so need gid nimo mapugos gid nimo kagalingon na mo pay ka sa ilahang kuan gikuan nga ransom. Ay kog next. And how to prevent ransom attack. Back up your data, keep all your system and software updated, install antivirus software on firewalls, network segmentation, email protection, application whitelisting, endpoint security, and limit user access privileges, run regular security testing and security awareness training. Thank you.
Daphne na
na-
report.
As for
Daphne.
Daphne, what to do if ransomware attacks? So do not pay the ransom. Security experts and law enforcement agencies strongly advise against paying the ransom because this only encourages attackers to continue their criminal activity. In many cases, there is no guarantee that attacks will provide a working description key. Even with the key, the data may become corrupted, resulting in permanent loss. There are now free ransomware description tools available for certain types of ransomware, but it's still crucial to have a data backup. So what to So isolate infected systems to prevent a further breach. Users should immediately disconnect their device from the network and all wireless connectivity, such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Although the ransomware may have already affected other users, isolation can limit the scope of infection in the network. Identity the source. Figuring out where the malware originated from can help locate the entry point of the ransomware. This information can provide the organization with valuable information to further improve security practices and training. So, report attack to authorities. Ransomware is a crime that should be reported to authorities for further investigation. However, another benefit is that law enforcement agency may have access to more advanced recovery tools and software not available to most organizations. In some cases, recovering stolen or compromised data and catching perpetrators is possible. So that's it. That's for all today. So these are the group four members of the Bayadong, Mary Grace Gubato, Jamaica Cabezas, and Daphne Magcao.
Thank you.
Mauro na. Pinkies.
Bye.